Henry C., born in 1924 in Xiamen, China, moved to the Philippines with his family at the age of 12. His early life was marked by hardship. His father ran a small convenience store that burned down, forcing the family into poverty. C started working at a young age, selling goods and eventually opening a small shoe store with a modest capital. In 1958, C opened his first store, Shoe Mart, in Manila. Initially a shoe store, it quickly expanded its offering to include a wide range of products. In 1960s, with growing success, C diversified into a retail and real estate, opening more Shoe Mart stores and venturing into shopping mall development. In 1970s and 1980s, C expanded his retail empire by opening larger department stores and shopping malls. In 1985, he opened his first SM Mall, which became a game changer in the Philippine retail. In 1990s, the SM Group expanded into banking with a acquisition of BDO, which became the one of the largest bank in the Philippines. C also ventured into a real estate development through SM Prime Holdings, which became a leading property developer in the country. In 2000s, C business interests grew to include supermarkets, hotel, and variety of other sectors. The SM Group became a dominant force in the retail and real estate. In 2006, C business acumen earned him a place among the wealthiest individuals in the Philippines and the South Asia. His ability to create large-scale shopping centers that become community hubs contributed significantly to his wealth. Henry C. legacy success was driven by his strategic vision, innovative approach to retail, and diversification into various industries. His empire, the SM Group, remains one of the largest and the most influential conglomerates in the Philippines. C passed away in 2019, but his legacy endures through the continuous success and growth of his business. Now managed by his family, his story is a statement to the power of the resilience, vision, and hard work in achieving billionaire status.